Hi, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. By the way, we saved the best tip at the latter part of the video. Now for today's topic. Did you know a shark can smell a drop of blood in a million drops of water? That's powerful. Sharks have an incredible sense of smell that helps them detect even the faintest hint of prey from miles away. This ability is crucial for their survival in the vast ocean. As a salesperson, you need a powerful sense too. Just like a shark, you must be attuned to the subtle signals in your environment. You need to smell out what motivates people. Understanding their needs and desires is key to making a successful sale. Often, it's not just excitement about your product, it's about tapping into deeper emotions and concerns. It's fear of missing out, uncertainty about the future, and the anxiety that comes with making big decisions, or doubt about their current choices. These feelings can be powerful motivators if you know how to address them. This, my friends, is the power of FUD. FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It sounds bad, right? Well, in the wrong hands, it can be. Manipulating these emotions unethically can lead to distrust and damage your reputation. But used ethically and strategically, FUD can be a powerful tool to boost your sales. By addressing these concerns honestly and providing solutions, you can build trust and close deals more effectively. FUD is all about tapping into basic human emotions. We are hardwired to avoid risks and seek security. FUD highlights potential risks and uncertainties, creating a sense of urgency in the buyer's mind. Think about it. Have you ever bought something because you were worried about missing a great deal, or because you were unsure about what the future holds? That's FUD in action. Let's say you're selling cars. It's a competitive market and every interaction counts. A potential buyer seems hesitant. This is your chance to make an impact and close the deal. You could say, "This model is flying off the lot. We only have a few left in stock. If you wait, you might miss out on your preferred color and features." That's FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Or imagine you're selling cookies at a bustling bakery. You could say, "These are baked fresh daily, and we often sell out by noon. People love them." See? Now they're thinking, "I don't want to miss out." The urgency makes them act quickly. Now, a word of caution. FUD can be a powerful tool, but it's important to use it ethically. Never lie or exaggerate to create fear or uncertainty. Your goal is to highlight genuine concerns and offer your product or service as a solution. Remember, building trust is crucial in sales. Misusing FUD can damage your credibility and drive potential customers away. Here are some tips to use FUD effectively. Know your audience. Understand who you are talking to and what their specific needs and pain points are. What are their fears and concerns? Be subtle. It's important to address these without overwhelming them. Don't be too aggressive or pushy. Instead, build a rapport and trust. Focus on the solution. Position your product or service as the answer to their worries. Use data and testimonials. Show them how others have benefited. Back up your claims with evidence. Use statistics, case studies, and real-life examples to make your point more convincing. Remember, sales is about helping people. Your goal is to provide value and solutions that genuinely help your customers. By understanding the power of FUD and using it ethically, you can guide your customers to make informed decisions that benefit them. Always prioritize their needs and concerns. And hey, you might even close a few more deals along the way. Success in sales is about building relationships and trust, and these tips can help you achieve that. As always, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. Thank you.